If you haven't seen these before, I'll give you a quick rundown. When you pull them out of the bag, first thing you want to do is extend them out as far as they go. Now, it's a fair bit of information. A lot of you haven't done this before. I don't expect you to get it right first time, but if you do, I'll be impressed.
Gives me the creeps, the tingling feeling, insisting there's probably somewhere else I should be, but it's not on my knowing. Start fearing empty. House on the table, getting the stars and the medals. I'm craving alcohol, but what for? Just trying to keep up. Kids in the driveway, a car by the door. eventually.
The name for this place, Ka Roe Matua Hina Hikatere, the frozen tears of Hina Hikatere. Now, Hina Hikatere, she was a woman who lived here, and she was a mountaineer, which was quite rare for the Māori. They didn't have a lot of that, but she was good at it, she was passionate about it. She lived down on the coast, she'd come into the mountains every now and then. And one day when she was down on the coast, she met a lovely young bloke named Wawe. He was a fisherman, he hadn't spent any time in the mountains, but the two hit it off and they fell in love, and then they decided they were going to go on a trip into the mountains, go for a date in the hills, as it were. So they set off, they came up to Franz Josef with the idea of getting to one of the high peaks up there, and then along the way, Wawe's struggling. He's not a climber, he's never been in this before, and he's not very sure on his feet. They keep going anyway, and he's struggling even more, but they keep going, and then eventually Wawe slips and he falls into a cave. And it's pretty clear from that point on that Wawe's dead. He's not going to survive that one. Now, Hina Hikatere was just overcome with her grief. And the story goes that she was so overcome with her grief that she climbed all the way to the top of one of our high peaks up here, and she began to cry. And the gods looked down on Hina Hikatere, saw her crying, and they were so impressed by her grief that they decided to freeze her tears in memorial to her lost love. Hence the frozen tears of Hina Hikatere. It's a really lovely poetic story, and I like that it sort of conveys the danger of this place, especially to early Māori who just didn't come into these environments very much, and yeah, it sort of let everyone know that this is a dangerous place to go. I really like it. I often say, love it.